How to remove PDF file password. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you have to open up your file with Adobe Acrobat. So as an example, I'll go ahead and open this file right here. And right after, you can just go ahead and type the PDF password. Now that we're inside the passwords right here or the PDF file, you can just go ahead and navigate through the tools section, and from there you will be able to see security. Now unfortunately I don't have Adobe Acrobat on my Windows computer, but it's as simple as clicking on Tools, Protect, Encrypt, and Remove Security. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.